What is up, YouTube? It's the Game Barrier Note, and today I'm going to show you. We're going to be looking over the Season 8 challenges, Week 1, and we're going to be seeing which ones we can do out of these. So the competition awards complete 84 challenges, and that's going to help. So I will start with the Battle Pass challenges. So visit a giant face in the desert, the jungle, and the snow, and use volcano events in different matches. So I'll show you what volcano events are, and I'll show you the things. So I'll be back. Okay, YouTube. So what we're gonna be doing is I will show you guys the volcano. I will show you guys the first place, which is the closest one to the battle bus, but it's at the very end of my battle bus. So yeah. But hey, this loading screen is taking so long. Oh no. What's game doing? The first phase is located down at where I have marked, and what I'm gonna show you guys. Oh god, it didn't even do anything. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the first phase that you can find in the desert. So this is a desert one, so just be careful. Oh yeah, they do damage to a vehicle by driven by an opponent. You've got to damage a vehicle while it's driven by an opponent, basically. But I think that's pretty self-explanatory. But where's the face? This game has to load in. Come on, game. What the fuck? It looks like a piece of mold. But it is here somewhere. What's happening? My pickaxe hasn't even opened up yet. I hear lots of firing, but my thing hasn't loaded in yet. Okay, this is annoying. I'll be back when it does, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, so it's loaded in. And as you can see, I'm now standing on top of a huge face. So that should be your first challenge done. And yeah, so the next one, neither of them are done, I don't think. Yeah, neither are. Anyway, so what you want to do, you gotta do this. Oh, that didn't kill me. Can somebody kill me, please? Like. Okay, I'll see you in the... Okay, I was just going to go over this quickly. So, the visible pirate camps I may do in this video or maybe a different video. Search Chester Retail Royal Junction. If you don't know where Retail Royal Junction is, I'll just show you. But I won't go there. Deal damage to sniper rifle and do anything on these ones are pretty hard, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. So, I think we're going to do, 2 or 3 in this match, and then in this video, I think I only did 2 to keep it short for you guys, and I'll go on to the next video once this video is uploaded. Guys, so I have a plan on my channel. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting off a new challenge thing, where we've got to do all these challenges. So the next location is located near Sunny Steps, and it is located right there. Luckily, I'm near it. So we're going to be heading over to Sunny Steps, and we're going to be, I'll be showing you the chests. And that's the chest, the face. All you've got to do, if it loads in, you've got to visit this hill, because this hill has a face on it. And yeah, there is a different one, but I would advise you guys to go this one. Come on, game. Really? What is life? Come on. I can't even jump. Yes, I can. Yes. Once this game loads in, I will look. Do you see that thing over there? That is a volcano vent, which lifts you up into the air, and you need to do 7 in different matches to complete your challenge. And yep, it's loaded in now. So if you can see, we're standing on top of a huge face. I'll go down in a minute in case I just want to have a weapon because I don't want to die and it'd be a waste of time. But like. So, yep, there's a pistol. If you go down, I'm just gonna go down, see what's in there. Oh yes, glide redeploy. Anyway. So guys, this is a huge face, and you can see these 2 rocks, these huge eyes, and you've got the nose. And finally you have the mouth. So make the face, and you will have done your next challenge. So retail row is located here. You've got to open chests there from houses, and Junk Junction is right over here in the edge of the map. The pirate camps, I will show you, maybe in a different video, because, like, yeah, but, so YouTube, we have to do 1 more of these, challenge, one more of these faces, and then we will have completed this challenge. And I'm gonna do just in the next few days of the week. I'm gonna be doing these videos for the challenge because challenges. Cause week 2 is gonna be coming out soon. I'm gonna have a busy week then for challenges, and I will let you know what this is once I've completed all my challenges and how to do it in the loading screen. So we have to do. We will finish this. This one is pretty easy, but what I would do is I would go into the I would go into like duos or something where you can get knocked. Cause then if you have dynamite, you can place them next to the person that's knocked you've killed, and then you blow them up, which is pretty easy. More like unlike solo. But I will do this one in a new video, and you know how to do this one. So there's only going to be 2 videos on this. Because this one's pretty self-explanatory. These ones you will need to look at in other videos because I don't remember them. And, yeah. So, last one, YouTube. Last one. So, I'm going to change skin because I'll go white eye skin. Let's go and do this one. So the face is located. This last face is located pretty far off the map, and it's next to Happy Hamlet. So I'll show you it, but it is pretty big. This loading screen I find pretty interesting because you've got loads of things. Some places aren't located on the map, like Snowby Shores and Haunted and Retail and stuff. But the main places like Pleasant and stuff are on this. Whoa, the zone's already going. So it's pretty seeable. You can see it, and if you want to land Happy Hamlet, you can get a gun. I would do that in my opinion because it would be easier if people were going there. You can just come in and kill them, but that's not my opinion. So we're gonna be heading to this last location, which is located right in this exact spot on this piece of ice put there. It's still 400 something meters away. I think there is a chest over there. My game has loaded because is it loaded in? No, it hasn't. Oh. And this is a face. Guys, this is a face. I'll show you. And yeah, this is where you have completed your last challenge, and it is the biggest of all the faces. And yeah, so YouTube, hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to like and subscribe, because you know every time there's gonna be different things I'm gonna be helping you guys. So until next time, goodbye.